Hi, in front of me is OUKITEL WP20 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Now tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Over here you need to click on one of your apps. I will go with YouTube and tap on the best option for you in order to apply it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that YouTube just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. But you can always go back and instead of looking for one of your features that you wish to manage, click on any of them and click on an app that you wish to manage instead. Now scroll all the way down and tap on See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. Now you can manage all of those options only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!